Hi everyone. So many of you have been asking me which oven do I use, and also recently someone commented to review the oven that I have been using. So here it is, an honest review of the Borosil Prima 30 liters. So this is the OTG that I have been using, Borosil Prima 30 liters. I have been using it for baking cakes, breads, cookies, toasting, grilling, everything, and I have been actually very happy with it. So what I love about it? It bakes evenly and I do not have to rotate the trays too often. Secondly, it heats up quickly and holds the temperature well. Third, this size 30 liter is actually appropriate and very comfortable. 2 trays of cookies can easily fit in, and I can also easily put a 9-inch cake tin. The glass door is solid and the entire build feels sturdy. The next is cleaning it is very easy, and the crumb tray also comes out very easily. It has a convection fan that ensures even hot air circulation for even baking. It also has a lot of modes like top plus bottom heating mode, top and bottom with fan, bottom heating only, top heating only, and rotisserie mode. So you just have to choose the right one for you. The timer bell is quite loud. Even if you are busy in something, you get to know when your baking is done. So if you are a home baker or someone who bakes something regularly but do not want to invest too much in oven, this is the right one for you. But just remember, if you're looking for something to reheat or defrost, this is not the right option for you because this is not a microwave. It works as an OTG only. If you have some other questions about this Borosil Prima 30 liters or you want me to compare it with some other OTG, don't forget to comment. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.